Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. This is Marston. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a split screen video in Davinci Resolve. Now I already did the first part where I was showing you the first method on how to do it. Now this is the second method. It's a bit different, but it will accomplish the same goal. So let's get into it. Right here on the timeline, I have some footage of a model in a park and another clip as well for model in a park. So we want to create a split screen. Now obviously I want to take this clip that is on top, drag it, just make sure it's the same duration with the clip at the bottom. I'm going to highlight both clips and drag them up to the layers that are on top. Now I want to look for, actually let me just drag this down because the method that we're going to use, we're going to add a background to work with. Now you can use another video as a background, but in this instance I'm going to look for these fusion generators. Let me just pick maybe this textured background. Just click, drag it over here, and just make sure that it's I drag it so that it's the duration of both clips, right? So there's that background. Now how it works is that we're going to use an effect called a video collage, right? So we just kind of come here and search for, let me just click and search for video collage. Make sure that open effects is ticked, video collage, there it is. I'm just going to click and drag it to my texture background. Now already you can see that the top layer, the background is already created like these holes. It has punched holes into the video such that the video that is below it is being shown. So basically how we're going to do it is just make sure that these are called tiles, by the way, 1 2 3 4. Now what we want to do, if you come here where it says video collage, we want to make sure that we have one row, right, just like that. And then we want to increase the let's say the margins, right? So let's just click and drag them just like that. These are left and right, and also top and bottom. I'm just gonna click and drag to the left, as you can see, but there's still some spacing that's there, but we want to get rid of it. We can just come here under horizontal spacing, just drag and make sure that we don't want to delete the whole spacing. And then vertical spacing, just click that and drag to the top, right? Now you can play around with this a bit because I want it also to show a bit of the background. Now what we can see here is that we only have this image here, the first image, but we want the first image to be on the left side of the split screen, and the image below on the right side. So how we do that is actually quite simple. Let's just click, hold it, and maybe change the position so that this lady is centered. Maybe she's here. Then we're going to come here under crop and crop left, right? Okay, now the crop is okay on the left. Going to crop right so that we can only see like that. And then we highlight the clip that is on the bottom. We're also going to maybe position it, the clip first. Let's just drag so that she is centered. In this instance, there's no need even to crop because she's fitting into the tile seamlessly. So let's just play that back. As you can see, this is a simple split screen effect. Now let me come back to the top and highlight and see some of the things that we can do. Now we need to come here under effects, right? We have global settings, which is what we're working on. Now what we want to do is we can come here and click where it says tiles. Just click on tiles. Now we have 2 tiles. We can actually animate these tiles, right? So what we want to do, we want to come here under tile animation. This affects the way you want the tiles to be introduced. For example, there's animate manual keyframe. We're going to, let's say, animate intro only, so that when the tiles are introduced, there's an animation that brings them in. Now there's a fly right animation. Let's just maybe fly from left. Let's try that. And the effect, maybe just shrink animation. We can maybe make it fly and shrink at the same time, right? So let's just take the playhead to the beginning and just play it and show you what happens. As you can see, the video is introduced differently. Now you can also just maybe bring in a rotate if you're interested. maybe even a fade. Let's just click on a fade, and maybe the antiquate says shrink, so it's going to fly in with the fade. Let's just play that. As you can see, it fades in. So you can play around with these just depending on the sort of settings that you're looking for. But pretty much this is how you create a split screen effect using the video collage feature in Davinci Resolve. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, so a sub will do. I'll see you in the next video.